What's going on, guys? It's a beautiful Saturday morning and I have no work today. Very strange for me and summer. And I've heard that Rimmer Road is back open. If you guys live in Auckland and you're into like four-wheel driving at all, you probably know what Rimmer Road is. We're in search of some gravel fun, do some drifting, just all around have a hooligan-y day, I think. Of course in a safe and legal manner. Welcome to Rimmer Road, guys. I haven't been down here since I had that little KTM 500. That was almost 2 years ago. Oh, it's pretty loose, some of it. It's closed. I knew that would be the case. So usually if you're on Rimmer Road you head down that way and you can get to the beach, but that is still closed. I highly doubt it's going to open anytime soon, but never mind. Guess we'll just have to carry on with my day. It's a pretty cool place. I don't trust this front tire on this gravel. It's a bit wobbly. Probably mostly my skills, really. My skills are wobbly. The back seems to have a fair amount of grip though. that was kind of boring. Alright, let's go find something else to do, I think.